Open the Google Earth Pro software. Now we have a task to superimpose the district boundary that includes block boundary also on Google Earth Pro software. Our task is to demarcate the irregular boundary of block or district for our purpose. Google Earth Pro panel, side panels, and this is the toolkits. Here we use the toolkit that help to superimpose the external data on Google Earth Pro software. So click this one. This tool allow us to superimpose the external any soft hard copy to superimposed on Google Earth. Here we have to browse it. I have saved a copy of hard copy of district boundary that includes district boundary of Dhanbad on desktop. We have to search out that one where it is. Here it is Dhanbad district map with block boundary. So open it. Now we have see here that district map is shown over the Google Earth Pro platform, but the inside photo or image of Google Earth Pro is not visible here. So you can reduce the opaque and you will find the block boundary or district boundary of given hard copy. So hard copy is attached here as a superimposed layer on Google Earth Pro. We have some controlling or driving points here. We can use these points to stretch the map or adjust the map. So we have to adjust here this map and using feature. This is the Bracker River and this is the Damodar River. These two rivers help us to superimpose this block boundary or district boundary on Google Earth Pro software. So first of all we have to save this file here, that is Dhanbad layer. It will be saved here. Now untick and search here Dhanbad. So where is Dhanbad? You can search here, you can search it Dhanbad. Enlarge it. You will find here Baraka River, that is in the northern portion of Dhanbad district. It limits the northern boundary of Dhanbad degree. Here is Mathan Dam. So we have to trace it with the help of this tool. try to trace with accuracy. This is the Bracker River. Save it as a Bracker River. It will be saved here as a line diagram. So it will save here the line diagram. Another portion we have to digitize here is Damodar River. Damodar River is limiting the southern boundary of Dhanbad district, and this Damodar River is quite visible here. Now try to digitize this map. We have to digitize the track of Damodar River. And this is the earlier exercise we have completed on Google Earth. Avoid it. We reach here as a Panchayat Dam. So save it here. Save it as a Damodar River. Damodar River. It will be saved here. Now, due to construction of dam, this portion of Damodar River is not visible and it is hidden in dam, and next portion is here, continued here. So trace it again. Damodar. And this is the Bracker River. We try to again digitize the course of Bracker. It will be again here completed, but others are dam. Save it as Bracker River. Make OK. So we have two boundaries of Dhanbad districts, and northern boundary is limited by Bracker River southern boundary is limited by Damodar River. Now we have to superimpose this map which is saved here, Dhanbad layer. So click on. Go to the properties, reduce the opaque, so layer will be visible. Fix it at 50% so that both Google Earth Pro and outer or external map which has to be superimposed on Google Earth will be visible. So both are here visible. Here we see this is the points. With the help of we can enlarge, we can move the superimposed map, enlarge it. Here is Dhanbad and two boundaries are visible here, but map is more enlarged, so reduce the size of map. By playing these corners, we have to match the boundary of two rivers. So here we are very close to the Damodar river value, and Bracker river is here. So we have to stretch the map so that it will match with Bracker river. A white color indicates Bracker river, and this faint color indicates the boundary, district boundary, northern district boundary of Dhanbad. So shift here. So both boundaries, both rivers matches with Dhanbad boundary, and superimpose the outer map with high confidence level so that accuracy should be maintained. So there are four corners that will be used to stretch the map for matching or superimposing on Google Earth. So almost boundary of Dhanbad district has been matched with the river. As we know, these two rivers are the last boundary, or these two rivers are the these two rivers limits the Dhanbad as a boundary. Now enlarge it to see error. So there are some error here. Adjust it all side. Adjust it all side. Photocopy of external map, that may not be correct, but we have to try match exactly. This portion is not correctly matched. This is the error, but we have to try the match this superimposed layer with the Google Earth Pro. Now we have to trace out the Balyapur block boundaries. The boundaries of Balyapur are here on the superimposed map. First, save it, Dhanbad layer. So save it. Now trace the boundary of Balyapur. Now save it. Baliapur block. Now untick the Dhanbad layer. Now we have the boundaries of Baliapur block in Dhanbad districts. So in this way we got the boundaries of Baliapur districts that was earlier unknown, and now we have boundaries and we can do any exercise within this boundary. This boundary may be not exactly because we have used a superimposed map from the central groundwater source that may consist of some error, that may have some errors, and these errors we have noticed during the superimposition of district boundary over the Google Earth. Reliable source or any district level boundary from districts may be collected for this purpose, and so that higher accuracy may be maintained. So in this way we have superimposed the Baliapur block on the Google Earth platform.